Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. I'm Justin, and today I'm going to show you some updates in the basement again. We are showing you the carpet. The carpet was installed recently and it feels good. It's really exciting to have that done because that was a big milestone in our project. So let me show you that. All right, so I'm in one of the bedrooms and this is the carpet that we put in. The details, as far as the details of this carpet, I'll put a link in the description below where we picked that up, what color it is, the type, and all that. But it's really super comfortable and really nice. We love it. Our kids love it. We're running around on it doing carpet angels because we love it so much. It's been a long time since we've had any kind of nice flooring in this space. So this is how this room is looking. With the carpet, I installed all the baseboards 3/8 of an inch above the floor, so they had a nice place to tuck in the carpet and get a nice tight fit. There's a couple things I still have to finish up. I got a panel to put over there. I got to cut that down and make it fit. Anyway, we are making progress. This is how this living space looks. I had to put a table up with some tools there, but this is looking really, really good. We got all the tape off the walls. All the walls are finished. We're just super excited. And then up the stairs. This is how the stairs turned out. So we made sure we wanted them to tuck that part of we like the look, so we had them tuck in this right here. Instead of doing, I think they call it a waterfall edge or something, but we like that look better. That turned out really nice. We're super excited. So what we did, we have a padding under here that's kind of lower grade. It's not super soft, but here in this room and in the bedroom, we did a really high quality pad. So it was nice to lay on if we're watching movies, stuff like that. People can lay on here comfortably and enjoy that. And then the stairs, we also finished this handrail. This is the existing handrail that came with the house. We sanded it off and we refinished it so that it looks a lot like the color of the doors actually, which turned out really nice. And then this hardware we got installed. We got 3 of those. I'll leave a link in the description where we got those at. But those were really easy to install. I made sure I put these right into the stud. That's really important that you have a really strong hold. But that completes this space. The carpet's up, the handrail's up, the lighting's up. It's super exciting. We have a lot of little things we're still working on, but this is how it's ended up so far. Got some temporary lights up because we're still figuring out how we want to light this entire space. Anyway, thanks for watching. Again, we do have a playlist right here. You can watch all the videos that we've done in the space so far. You can see the spaces before this video to see how we've progressed. And if you have any questions, comments, please leave them in the description. Not the description. Leave them in the comment section below, and I'll see if I can get to them and let you know what your answers are. Anyway, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.